Sorry, Donald Trump, stay strong, don't fall through the storm. You'll stand tall, even when the night feels long. Hope will rise, just hold on. Hold